Awesome caterpillars, I hope you're doing well today. So today we will identify the first sound in our name. And then you will find something that begins with that same sound. So we're going to listen to some sounds that we hear today. Are you guys ready? Turn on those little microphones in your ears so you're ready to listen. Okay. So I'm going to identify the first letter in my name. I can see this is my name. My name is made up of letters. I have a lot of different letters in my name. And I'm going to look at this big letter today. This is the uppercase letter. This is the first letter in my name. So I'm going to say my name, and then I'm going to isolate that sound. Sometimes we do this in the morning. Let's try it. I'm going to say Cochrane and then come back to it again. Cochrane. Did you hear that? That was the first sound in my name. I start with the letter C. C makes this sound, k, like Cochrane. Okay, so we're going to take a little trip to our ABC word wall, and we're going to find our letters, we're going to find our pictures, and we're going to find our names. And then we're going to listen to things that also have the same beginning sound. That'll help us a lot. We're going to get our file folders. That's our brain. And you guys are going to fill the file folder. You're just going to pretend it's in there. You're going to put it in your brain and you're going to store it. Your brain has lots of storage capacity. Okay, so you're going to store that stuff in your brain. The beginning sound of my name. The sound in my name. You guys ready to take a little trip to our word wall? Hey, welcome back. Welcome to our letter wall. So this is our letter wall. What do you guys see on the page? I do too. I see a lot of different letters. All right, you want to sing the ABCs with me before we go on? All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are our letters in our letter wall. Next time, won't you know them all? So this is our letter wall. Our letter begins with different letters on here, right? Do you see maybe a letter that yours begins with? Can you touch it? I saw mine right there. Mine is the letter C. I'm going to touch it. There I am. C is for Cochrane, cupcake, and cat. We have the same sound. Cochrane, Cochrane, cupcake, cat. I'm going to use my arm slide today. I'm going to put my name up here. I'm going to start at the top of my slide, and I'm going to hear that same sound no matter what. Cochrane, cupcake, cat. They all have that same sound at the top of the slide. So today we're going to look at all of our names, and then we're going to try to find something around our house also that has that same sound, okay? Let's look at our B. Brian, banana, ball. They all have the B sound. Brian, can you find something that starts with a B? Let's go next. D. Ooh, I have a dog, Daniel, dinosaur. They all have the D sound, like Daniel. Oh, next is E. Ooh, whose is this? Elijah, eagle, ear. They all begin with the E sound, like Elijah. All right, where are we going next? The letter J. J is for Genesis, Johnson, Javion, Jazany. They all begin with the j sound, like jacket and jump. Wow, they have the same beginning sound. Who's next? Okay, I have Kingston, Kathalina, Caitlin, and Carson. I know they also begin with the same sound as kite and kangaroo. Okay. Next is Luke. Lollipop and lion all have the same beginning sound. Luke, do you think you're going to be able to find something that begins with a L sound? Next is We're going to go here. We have Mason, Michaela, and Mickey Mouse. Monkey. They all make the sound. Madison, Michaela, Mickey Mouse, monkey. Good job. You guys are really good at this. Let's see who's next. Otis. We have Otis, orange, ocean. They all have that O sound. Look at that. That beginning sound, that beginning letter is a O. Penelope. Penelope begins with a Penelope. Pizza. Pumpkin. Penelope, did you hear that p sound? Are you going to be able to find something that makes the p sound in your house? Can't wait. Ooh, who's next? We have Quasm. Quasm. Queen. Quarter. They begin with the same sound, the qu sounds. Good job. Okay, and next up is our S's, our Serenity, Sophia, Sophie, Sun, and Sock. They all have the same S sound. I can't wait to see what you guys find. There is Tyler. Tyler. Tomato. Turtle. They begin with the same T sound. The same sound at the beginning. T makes the T sound. All right, let's see if we have anybody else. And that is the end. Okay, now it's your mission. Did you remember the sound that ours made? Okay, I'll upload this so you can look at your name again. You can click on the link. You can find the first letter in your name, and it's going to take you to that letter. Think about that letter. Think about the sounds you hear. Cochrane, cupcake, cat. Cochrane, cupcake, cat. I'm going to go searching around my house. I'm going to go searching around here. See if I can also find something else that makes that k sound. You guys ready? All right. I can't say. You remember you can upload a picture. You can upload an art project. You can upload maybe the object that you found, whatever you would like. It's up to you and how you want to be creative. I'll post the link also to some letter sound songs. So if you find that letter, it will take you to your letter sound song so that you can also hear things that begin with the same sound as your name. Okay, we're looking for that first sound in our name, and we're looking for something that begins with it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.